What up guys, another day, another drive. Let's go to the Milky.
What up guys? We're heading to in Metro Manila. Today it is in Honolulu City. Nandito na po kami ngayon sa Park ng Bulacan.
What up guys, so malapit na kami kay client and after pick up, diretso Bataan na. Bali, nasa NX na kami, pabalik ng Bataan. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina kasi sa EDSA yung pick up and mabilisan lang. And let's go, toilet break and drive that.
Dapat tawa, di ba?
Okay na, another done drive and ayun, uwi na tayo and let's have some rest and thank you.
I'm in the streets, so they say it's like, big deal, straight shows like, making this, making that like, don't lie, you know how I sound like. I'm in the streets, so they say it's like, big deal, straight shows like, making it.